Bitcoin price prediction as recent struggle at $38,000 continues. Can BTC overcome the November ceiling? Disclosure: crypto is a high-risk asset class. This article is provided for informational purposes and does not constitute investment advice. By using this website, you agree to our terms and conditions. We may utilize affiliate links within our content and receive commission. Fetch priority equals high decoding equals async class equals align on WP image 137 1938 sizeful src equals https://cryptonews.com/WP content /upload/2023/11/1,701,340,387,987,973 JPG alt equals width equals 1,280 height equals 612 src set equals https://cryptonews.com/WP content /upload/2023/11/1,701,340,385,130,000,387,979,573 JPG 1,280 https://cryptonews.com/WP content /upload/2023/11/1,701,340,385,130,000,387,979,573 30x143 JPG 300 https://cryptonews.com/WP content /upload/2023/11/1,701,340,385,130,000,387,979,573 1,920 forks for 190 JPG 1,924 https://cryptonews.com/WP content /upload/2023/11/1,701,340,385,130,000,387,979,573 768 367 JPG 768 https://cryptonews.com/WP content /upload/2023/11/1,701,340,385,130,387,979,573 1/363 JPG 130 https://cryptonews.com/WP content /upload/2023/11/1,701,340,385,130,387,979,573 100 forks 50 JPG 104 https://cryptonews.com/WP content /upload/2023/11/1,701,340,385,130,387,979,573 83 40 JPG 83 sizes equals max width 1,208 ips 100 1,208 ips / Bitcoin oscillates around the $37,872 mark, down by a marginal 0.20% on Thursday. Investors and traders alike are closely monitoring its performance against a backdrop of evolving market dynamics. The cryptocurrency world is buzzing with the entry of the 13th contender in the Bitcoin ETF race, alongside significant updates from BlackRock in their ETF model. Amidst these developments, optimism is brewing in the investor community, with many setting their sights on a $40,000 milestone, as indicated by the CME Bitcoin futures. However, looming regulatory concerns, particularly those related to illicit financial activities, pose a potential threat to this ascent. In this climate, notable voices like Robert Kiyosaki are advocating for investments in Bitcoin ETFs, pointing towards a diversifying landscape in crypto investment strategies. Expansion in Bitcoin ETF arena. 13th entrant in BlackRock's model revamp. Unexpectedly, Swiss asset manager Pando Asset has joined the race for the 13th slot in the U.S. Bitcoin ETF market, competing with notable entities like BlackRock, ARK Invest, and Grayscale. Analysts are scrutinizing Pando's late entry, which aims to establish the Pando Asset Spot Bitcoin Trust, tracking the price of Bitcoin with Coinbase as the custodian. The SEC's decision date for ARK Invest's proposal is set for January 10, aligning with a potential approval wave for spot Bitcoin ETFs, as noted by Bloomberg ETF analysts Eric Balchunas and James Seyfort. We have a late entrant into the spot Bitcoin ETF race. Pando, who already offers crypto ETPs in Europe. Pick Twitter.com/OMJRUNJ. Nate Gerasai, November 29, 2023. In response to SEC concerns, BlackRock has proposed revising its redemption model to include foreign companies paying U.S. broker-dealers in advance in cash, aiming to mitigate balance sheet impacts. This unexpected competition and BlackRock's initiatives indicate growing momentum and regulatory advancements in the Bitcoin sector, bolstering confidence in the industry. Investor optimism peaks. $40,000 Bitcoin price target in CME futures. The recent developments in the Bitcoin market as of November 28 present an intriguing scenario. The CME Bitcoin futures have seen a remarkable annualized premium increase to 34%, showcasing institutional investors' growing optimism about Bitcoin surpassing the $40,000 threshold. This confidence is underpinned by a significant 125% surge in open interest in CME's Bitcoin futures since mid-October, now valued at $1.93 billion. This aligns with speculations about the potential approval of a spot Bitcoin ETF. CME Bitcoin futures show investors betting on $40,000 BTC price apes/t co/UQHV9EIBVM #news #crypto #Bitcoin #CME #ETF #futures #markets #news #premium #SEC #whales https://t co/UQHV9EIBVM. Crypto breaking news, latest crypto and Bitcoin news at Crypto Break News November 29, 2023. Despite some skepticism regarding asset managers engaging in high-risk derivatives in anticipation of the SEC's January decision, the uptick in CME Bitcoin futures open interest is a clear sign of growing institutional interest in the cryptocurrency. Moreover, the annualized premium rising to 23% signals that buyers are prepared to pay a premium for leverage long positions, a factor that could influence Bitcoin's price trajectory. As Bitcoin maintains its position around $38,000, the escalating institutional trust hints at favorable prospects ahead. Regulatory warning: U.S. may tighten crypto rules amid illicit money concerns. Wally Adamo, Deputy Secretary of the U.S. Treasury, issued a stern warning to cryptocurrency firms, emphasizing the urgency to curb and report illicit financial activities. Speaking at a Blockchain Association event, Adamo stressed the importance of combating illegal financing in the crypto space, citing national security concerns. This statement aligns with the Biden administration's call to Congress for enhanced legislative authority to monitor crypto exchanges involved in activities deemed illegal by the U.S. government. U.S. will be forced to curtail crypto if industry fails to act on illicit finance threats. Official https://t co/HJIX3N9F54. Pic Twitter com/Ye53JH3A. Reuters at Reuters November 29, 2023. The urgency of this regulatory push was evident in October's sanctions targeting a Gaza-based crypto exchange. The resignation of Binance CEO Changpeng Zhao, following an apology for violating U.S. anti-money laundering laws, further underscores the government's resolve in regulating the sector. This increased regulatory focus, while seeking clarity, could positively impact Bitcoin's valuation by bolstering investor confidence in a more controlled and secure cryptocurrency environment. Kiyosaki's crypto strategy, endorsing investment in Bitcoin ETFs. Robert Kiyosaki, the acclaimed author of Rich Dad Poor Dad, is steering investors towards Bitcoin exchange-traded funds amid looming concerns of a global economic downturn. Highlighting the faltering cardboard box index as an indicator of declining consumer goods production, Kiyosaki foresees a significant slump. He critiques the expected strategy of the Federal Reserve and U.S. Treasury involving massive printing of fake dollars and advocates for traditional safe havens such as silver and gold. Cardboard box index crashing. Shoppers stop shopping. That means global economy slowing to possible depression. Treasury, WND Fed to print trillions in fake dollars to replace shoppers. Buy gold, silver, Bitcoin. Gold price rising. Silver still cheap, approx $35 an ounce. Or buy. Robert Kiyosaki at The Real Kiyosaki November 29, 2023. However, Kiyosaki also positions Bitcoin as a pivotal asset, recommending Bitcoin ETFs for those seeking indirect exposure to the cryptocurrency. His endorsement of Bitcoin and its ETFs marks a growing acceptance in the investment landscape and could potentially bolster confidence in Bitcoin, influencing its market value. Bitcoin price prediction. In the swiftly evolving landscape of cryptocurrency, Bitcoin registers a subtle 0.51% uptick in its valuation, currently positioned at $37,911. This recent increment comes as the digital currency navigates key technical thresholds with a pivotal point at $37,975, suggesting a potential turning point for its short-term direction. Resistance levels loom overhead at $38,610, $39,250, and $39,800, serving as critical barriers that could either reinforce the current momentum or halt further advances. Supportive buffers, meanwhile, are established at $36,835, $36,375, and $35,740, ready to underpin and potentially reverse any bearish descent. IMT decoding equals async class equals WP image 138,223 sizeful SRC equals https://cryptonews.com/WP content /upload/2023/12/1,701,387,473 BTC DAC 1. JPG alt equals Bitcoin price chart with equals 1730 height equals 957 SRC set equals https://cryptonews.com/WP content /upload/2023/12/1,701,387,473 BTC DAC 1. JPG 1730. https://cryptonews.com/WP content /upload/2023/12/1,701,387,473 BTC DAC 1 300 zone 66. JPG 300 WA. https://cryptonews.com/WP content /upload/2023/12/1,701,387,473 BTC DAC 11024x 566. JPG 1924 WA. https://cryptonews.com/WP content /upload/2023/12/1,701,387,473 BTC DAC 1768 425. JPG 768 WA. https://cryptonews.com/WP content /upload/2023/12/1,701,387,473 BTC DAC 11536x 850. JPG 1536 with sizes equals max width 1730x 100 WA. 1730x/Bitcoin price chart. Source: TradingView. The relative strength index RSI stands at 55.98, floating in the neutral zone but leaning towards a bullish sentiment as it has not breached the overbought threshold. The moving average convergence divergence MACD exhibits a positive crossover, a harbinger of potential upward movement, adding credence to the current bullish bias. Observing the 50-day exponential moving average EMA, Bitcoin's price trades above this level at $37,911, endorsing the short-term bullish trend observed in the market. The chart reveals an ascending channel pattern, suggesting a steady climb, with the price now testing the upper bounds of this trend. In conclusion, Bitcoin's current market behavior is cautiously bullish, with the potential to test higher resistance if the upward channel pattern holds. Traders and investors alike should closely monitor these key technical levels for signs of whether the November ceiling will capitulate to December's pressures. Top 15 cryptocurrencies to watch in 2023. Stay up to date with the world of digital assets by exploring our handpicked collection of the best 15 alternative cryptocurrencies and ICO projects to keep an eye on in 2023. Our list has been curated by professionals from industry talk and crypto news, ensuring expert advice and critical insights for your cryptocurrency investments. Take advantage of this opportunity to discover the potential of these digital assets and keep yourself informed. See the 15 cryptocurrencies disclaimer. Cryptocurrency projects endorsed in this article are not the financial advice of the publishing author or publication. Cryptocurrencies are highly volatile investments with considerable risk. Always do your own research. Enter your email for our free daily newsletter or quick 3-minute read about today's crypto news. Sign up in SRC equals https://sim co/p/ml300 jpeg alt equals image class equals imgid equals newsletter pop-up im